Presenting GoPro Max action camera weighing just 163 grams. It comes with 4 into 6.4 into 6.9 cm dimension. The product is available in black color. The Max action camera is great for time-lapse shooting and it is water resistant up to 16 feet. This camera enables to shoot single-lens hero-style video with unbreakable stabilization or immersive 360-degree footage. The Max Hyper Smooth delivers the smoothest video ever and can change horizon leveling whenever required. The Max Super View enables to tap through 4 lenses to nail any shot. Narrow, distortion-free linear, wide and Max Super View, which is the widest view in GoPro. Shooting 270 degrees distortion-free panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon. 6 mics capture true-to-life 360-degree audio and deliver the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro. This camera can be controlled easily with 13 voice commands such as GoPro Start Recording or GoPro Take a Photo. The camera comes with LCD touchscreen standing display in the size 1.95 inches. The maximum resolution is 18 megapixel and optical sensor resolution is 16.6 megapixel. The maximum shutter speed provided is 1 by 28,000 seconds. The minimal focal length is 8.9 mm. The product can be connected through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB. The box includes GoPro Max, Max rechargeable battery, flat adhesive mount, mounting buckle, USB-C cable, lens cover, camera pouch. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham Raheja from Tech Insider India and these are the top features of the GoPro Max 360-degree camera. The GoPro Max has a squared-off design that adds to its portability. It also has a matte grey finish with a rubberized texture that is built to withstand drops and go underwater. The GoPro Max is made for recording 360-degree videos. Along with that, you can also get an option to convert them into VR experiences. You also have software tools to convert the 360-degree videos into flat videos. While it is a 360-degree camera, you can also shoot with a single lens. At its widest angle of view, it matches a 13mm full-frame lens. Other than that, you can also shoot with 16mm wide angle, 19mm linear and 27mm modes as well. The GoPro Max also sports 6 internal microphones which takes your audio quality to a whole new level. GoPro promises that they are on par with shotgun microphones in terms of directionality. And those were the top features of the GoPro Max 360-degree camera. I really hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so welcome. Today let's talk about the GoPro Max. Now this is GoPro's 360-degree camera. It's an action camera and it's actually quite different from the previous camera that was there, the GoPro Fusion. So there are a couple of things that are really nice about this camera, but we're going to talk about the features that make the GoPro Max a really great action camera. First off, it's of course got 360-degree video capabilities, but it's able to shoot 360-degree video in 5.6K resolution. You can turn that down to 3K resolution and get 60 FPS recording and even up to 2x slow-mo. So that's pretty damn impressive. Additionally, the body of the 360-degree camera is now completely revised, as is the mounting mechanism. Now, the GoPro Max is actually compatible with almost every GoPro mount that is out there, which basically means if you own any other older GoPro, could be a 360 or non-360, you can use the Max and mount it on whatever hardware you have currently at your disposal. Third, the GoPro Max actually features 6 microphones that allow you to pick up true 3D audio. So when you do actually start compositing and creating your 360-degree videos, you know that the sound coming from the camera is also going to correspond to the video so that it's a more natural looking video. and that's very, very important. So the 6 microphones on board make that possible. Fourth, the GoPro Max also features GoPro's hyper smooth image stabilization, which basically means that you can handhold this camera and still get super smooth video, whether it's 360 or normal video, and it'll actually look absolutely beautiful because it'll look like as if it's been stabilized using a gimbal, but it's all been shot handheld. That's how good hyper smooth stabilization really is. The other really cool thing about the GoPro Max is that while yes, it is a 360-degree camera, it is also able to function as a regular action camera. So you could actually just use one lens on the front to shoot regular video, not 360 but regular video, or even take photos. You have access to all the shooting modes in both 360 and regular modes, which includes time-lapse, hyperlapse, or even something as just shooting normal or super slow motion. So that's really, really awesome about the GoPro Max. So these are some of the things that make the GoPro Max actually a really lucrative action camera for anybody who's looking to add to their arsenal of adventure. So if you are in the market looking for a new action camera, maybe you do want to consider the GoPro Max because it offers just that little extra when compared to a normal action cam. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham from Tech Insider India, and here's a quick overview of the GoPro Max 360-degree camera. First, let's start off with the design of this camera. The GoPro Max has a squared-off design that adds to its portability. The design is also very minimalistic with a very few buttons that cut down on the clutter. Now, the biggest reason to buy this camera is because of its 360-degree video recording capabilities. Along with that, you also get an option to convert them into VR experiences. You also get software tools to convert the 360-degree video, which is captured at 5.6K quality, into flat video with a choice of your own aspect ratio, be it 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, or even 9:16 portrait videos. Apart from making 360-degree videos, you can also shoot with a single lens. At its widest angle of view, it matches a 13mm full frame lens. Other than that, you can also shoot with 16mm wide angle, 19mm linear, and 27mm modes as well. On top of all of this, you also get great mic performance. That's because the GoPro Max sports 6 internal microphones, which takes your audio quality to a whole new level. GoPro promises that they are on par with shotgun microphones in terms of directionality. And that was it for this quick overview of the GoPro Max 360-degree camera. I really hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.